In the shadows of the city where the skies turn gray, drones hum above and the mist gives way. Chambers at the gates, controlling who we are. Freedom's fading fast like a dimming star. But a whisper in the dark, a spark in the night, a rebel's heart beats ready to ignite. They can't silence truth, though they try to confine. The spirit of the free will always shine. Through the viral winds, we'll stand and fight. Against the looming dark, we'll bring the light. When the architect reigns with his iron hand, we'll rise for the glory of this broken land. Lies flow like rivers through the halls of power, promising protection, but it's control they devour. Nanotech whispers in the air we breathe. Chains made of science, but they can't deceive. In every heart that beats, in every soul that aches, there's a fire that no machine can never take. We're the resistance, we're the truth untold. With courage as our weapon, we'll be bold. Through the viral winds, we'll stand and fight. Against the looming dark, we'll bring the light. When the architect reigns with his iron hand, we'll rise for the glory of this broken land. The drones may fly, but they can't reach our dreams. The mist may fall, but hope redeems. For every voice they silence, 10 will rise. Freedom's song will echo through the sky. Through the viral winds, we'll stand and fight. Against the looming dark, we'll bring the light. When the architect reigns with his iron hand, we'll rise for the glory of this broken land. In the viral winds, our spirits won't fade. Through the trials and storms, the path is laid. For the dawn will break and the world will see the anthem of the brave, the song of the free.